Hello everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again. Today I have something that just popped up last night and it has really stopped the whole flow of our daily activities. That is something totally new that I never experienced before. The garage just gave up, it wouldn't open. It just started to just come up and down as if the sensor was not working. So over here I'm just told that we have two different size of springs. Now this one is obviously the bigger piece has been taken out. The reason could be that a lot of times it's the main spring that takes all the tension and pulls the door up, and the other one is just there to support it, keep it in balance. The rails are not off balance or off alignment. So we'll see what we need to do with that. So he's just taking them off. All right, so all the springs are out. Yeah.
See the difference between all them?
Yeah. This one is different diameter or same diameter?
Yeah.
So I guess the diameter is the same, but the length is shorter on the other one. Wow, that's a neat measurement. The new springs are on, but they're not right now. They need to be tightened, they need to be aligned. The tension needs to be set. So let's see. So the first thing is to tighten these up. He's tightening up on the other side. These are the springs.
Now we just need to give attention and make sure the dog is in balance.
So the next thing is to give it tension on the springs.
Yeah, first of all we're going to just connect the spring and then give attention for the drums.
Okay.
After that you can do this with the spring. The spring is in the end.
Oh, okay. So before they tighten up these red screws, they have to set the tension. They rotate it
Yeah,
in a
for the
particular.
drums on the cables.
For what?
For the drums. You see the drum over here?
Yeah. Okay.
For two sides. We're starting from the left and then going to the right.
Okay, so they must be aligned with them.
Yeah.
So like right this. So that's setting up the tension. It's suppressing the spring right now when they're doing that. I want to move out of the way just in case it snaps. Well, this is fascinating. So this was the part which kept me away from trying to do it myself. Otherwise, I was very tempted to do it myself. So now we're gonna just check if it opens up. All right, so moment of truth. We're gonna open it. First, check it without the garage opener. The tension is good. It's nice and smooth, but it's not too light. So
It's in balance.
yeah.
It doesn't fall down.
So it should not fall down by itself on the way back. You know, that's what
You have balance.
Ben is checking. Yeah.
And now we can do it with the opener.
All right, so let's see with the garage door opener now. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
We disconnected that, so it's gonna connect to. It's gonna connect to that first, and now I'm gonna press the button again. So now it's snapped. Now let's do that again. What was that noise?
What do you say?
There was a little bit of noise. Yeah, it's opening up nice and smooth, but at the beginning there was some snapping noise.
Let's press it again, that's it.
Yeah. All right, let me do it one more time. Yeah, This should not come.
Take it out.
Okay, so maybe the springs need a little bit more adjustment. Yes. So right now the springs are brand new, so they are not really straight, and that's what's causing that snapping sound in the beginning. And that's not a very comforting sound, so Ben is seeing if he can make some adjustments.
See, now it's straight.
Pulled it into,
Okay.
oh,
That's why I love it when it's straight.
so see now it's straight. The other one is still has a bend. Not bend, it's not compressed too much. As it's being tightened, it's compressing again, but not to that level where it was before. And that one is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's try it again. As you saw, he adjusted the springs. They're still not dead straight, but let's see how it works now. The snapping sound has really gone away. I'm making this clip after a couple of months. The spring shape is just as it was in the last clip, but I feel like the sound or the snapping noise has gone away, and it's working pretty smoothly now. All right, so I'm gonna try to open it again and see how it works. Yeah, it has smoothed out. Even the noise that initially comes from springs turning has smoothed out quite a bit. It's not like a snap, it's just a smooth transitioning noise of the spin cycle. So that's it for now. Hopefully this would help somebody. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a good one.